How do I undo true equals false in Python interactive mode? So I tried the evil thing Nate Dilly mentioned in his answer here. Now I have that the type true is now always false. How would I reverse this within the interactive window? Thing to not do. Since true has now been completely overridden with false, there doesn't seem to be an obvious way to backtrack. Is there a module that true comes from that I can do something like?
You can simply del your custom name to set it back to the default.
This works, but fails if false has been fiddled with as well. Therefore this is better, as none cannot be reassigned. These also evaluate to true regardless of whether true has been reassigned to false, 5, foo, none, etc.
Just do this. Or, because booleans are essentially integers.
For completeness, Kevin mentions that you could also fetch the real true from __ built-ins __. But that true can also be overridden. So better to go with one of the other options.
If you want some more detail, please consider liking, subscribing.